Hi! In front of me is TCL 403, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down just a bit to access Privacy section under Location. Now tap on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features that you wish to manage. I will go with Location. Now you can tap on one of your apps located under one of those categories: allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed. I will go with Facebook from Not Allowed section, so when I click, I can select one of those options. Allow only while using, ask every time, or don't allow. So when I tap and go back, I can see that Facebook just gained access to my device's location if I'm using it. But you can always select any feature and then look for an app that you wish to manage, like for example Maps. Now, instead of tapping on one of those options, scroll all the way down and tap on See All Maps Permissions. Now you can manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. And also tap on this switcher next to Remove Permissions and Free Up Space to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!